Hello! I'm glad you are here today. In this video, you will listen to a short and easy story. The English is slow and clear, so you can understand better. Just relax, listen, and enjoy. Before we begin, here's a small challenge for you. There is a question in this video. Listen carefully to find the answer. You will hear it during the story. When you know the answer, write it in the comments. This will help you practice your listening and improve your English. Let's start!
The question in this story is, what do children eat in the park?
Today is a sunny day. A family is ready to go to the park. They feel happy and excited.
Are we going to the park now? Yes, sweetheart, let's go! I am so happy!
The family walks together. The children feel very excited.
I see the park!
Not too fast.
They arrive at the park. The park is big and green. There are many fun things to do.
Wow, look! Let's play! Stay close!
The father plays with his son. They throw a ball. They have fun together.
Are you ready?
Yes! Throw the ball! I got it!
The children play at the playground. They go up and down. They laugh a lot. They fly a kite. The kite goes up in the sky. The children feel very happy.
The kite is flying! Yes, so high!
Good job.
The parents sit down. They watch their children. They feel calm and happy.
This is a very nice day.
Yes, very nice, sweetheart.
The children run on the grass. They laugh and play together.
I will catch you! No! I catch you!
It is time to eat. The family sits together. They enjoy their food.
Here you go.
Thank you, Mom! Everything is delicious!
The family rests together. They look at the sky. It is a peaceful moment.
I love this day.
Me too.
The sun goes down. The family walks home. They feel tired but happy.
I am tired. Me too.
Let's go home.
They arrive home. It was a beautiful day. They feel happy together.
It was a good day.
Yes, a very good day.